Want to remove Meta AI from Messenger? Here's what you can and can't do. First, open the Messenger app. At the top of your chat list, you'll usually see the Meta AI conversation. Now important, there is currently no official setting to permanently remove Meta AI from Messenger. But you can hide it. Here's how. Swipe left on the Meta AI chat. Tap Archive. This removes it from your main chat list. If you ever want to find it again, tap your menu icon and go to Archived Chats. Now, if you want to delete the conversation completely, tap and hold on the Meta AI chat. Select Delete. Then tap Delete again to confirm. This removes the chat history. However, keep in mind, Meta AI may appear again in the future after updates or new interactions. Right now, archiving is the best way to keep it off your home screen. And that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Messenger tips.